How do you relax after work?
I listen to music.
How much do you weight?
About 55 kilograms.
What color is your car?
My car is white.
Could I have a glass of water?
Sure, do you want a lemon slice?
Where did you hear it from?
I saw it in an email.
How old are you?
I am 48 years old.
How long does it take to get there?
About 80 minutes by motorcycle.
Who do they buy the car for?
They buy the car for their daughter.
Does your phone have good battery life?
Yes, my phone's battery is great.
What's the best drink here?
The best drink here is the mocha.
What are you going to do later on?
I will cook dinner later on.
What is over there?
Over there is a coffee shop.
How can fix this?
You can fix this by updating it.
Who did you give it to?
I gave it to my grandma.
Did you get my email?
No, your email didn't come through.
Does she have bleak hair?
No, her hair color isn't black.
How late will you stay up tonight?
I will stay until 10 p.m.
Do you need a ride home?
No, I'm walking home.
What is on the desk?
There's a photo frame on the desk.
Are you feeling better?
I'm still feeling the same.
What do you want?
I want to eat.
What did you get up to this weekend?
I did some gardening.
Are you eating dessert tonight?
No, I'm trying to eat healthy.
How do you plan your vacation?
I look for good deals online.
What did you buy from the convenience store?
A pack of gum.
Is the movie interesting?
The movie has an interesting plot.
When do you exercise each day?
Early in the morning before work.
Can she do gymnastics?
I'm not sure if she's interested.
Did you feel good after exercising?
Yes, I felt energized and refreshed.
Do you have a regular exercise routine?
I try to go to the gym 3 times a week.
Did you attend any fitness class?
No, I just did my own work.
Did you bring your own water bottle?
Yes, I always carry a water bottle with me.